Withdrawing money from your PayPal account after an account review can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Access your PayPal account by entering your email address and password on the PayPal website or app. Make sure your account is fully verified and any issues from the review have been resolved. Step 2. Navigate to the Wallet section. Once logged in, find the Wallet tab on the main menu. This section displays your balance and linked bank accounts or cards, which are necessary for withdrawals. Step 3. Select Withdraw Funds. In the Wallet section, look for the option to withdraw funds or transfer money. Click on it to initiate the withdrawal process. Step 4. Choose your withdrawal method. You will be prompted to select how you want to withdraw your funds. Options typically include transferring to a linked bank account or requesting a check. Choose the method that suits you best. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal amount. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your chosen withdrawal method. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to PayPal customer support for assistance.